Hey guys, it's me, Thriftastic Mom. And if you watched my grocery haul the other day, you'll see that when I went to Aldi's, I picked up this Califia pumpkin spice latte cold brew coffee with almond milk. I didn't like it. I didn't like the taste of it, and I'm like, nah, I'm going to end up throwing this away just because I don't like the taste of it. So I'm like, what can I do? Maybe I could spruce it up so I don't waste it, I thought I would try it with my half and half and my salted caramel syrup here and see how it tasted, and I loved it, guys. It was so good when I added that to it. So it kept me from wasting it, and I'm still drinking on it using it this way. So I wanted to share it with you and just show you how I mixed it up. Now I got my plastic cup here, about a little bit over half full of ice. I love ice. I love my coffee to be nice and cold. And then I'm going to pour in this Califia cold brew coffee that I got. I think it's got almond milk in it. It's really why I didn't like it, because it's just not nice and creamy and tastes good the way I like. But I will say the pumpkin spice flavor is there. But it didn't taste good. I didn't like it. So what I did was poured in some of the cold brew coffee here. I usually just kind of go a little bit over half a cup. That way I got room to, put my half and half and my caramel in without running it over. So now I'm just going to top some of the half and half on top of that. And the reason I'm doing a voiceover is because my husband was watching TV when I made this, and I didn't want all that noise in the video, so I wanted to go ahead and make it, and then I just do a voiceover to explain to you what I'm doing here. So I'm pouring in the half and half on top, which I love. I love when those two colors mix together, especially when you're using a black coffee. I love the way the cream and the coffee mixes together. It's so pretty. So anyway, I just mixed up my half and half there into the pumpkin spice. And now I'm going to put the skinny syrup, salted caramel, which is my favorite. I love any kind of caramel syrup. So I'm just putting some of that in there, just a couple of little sips there. And then I'll just mix this all together. And it's pretty much done. It's really simple. You got the pumpkin spice cold brew, the half and half, and the salted caramel. So I'll put my lid on it, and I am ready to drink. This is such a good drink. I mean, I could have OD'd on this. After I added that stuff, it was so good. And it kept me from wasting a whole bottle of cold brew coffee that I didn't like. And you still got the pumpkin spice flavor. It doesn't, it doesn't dilute that flavor. So you still got a pumpkin spice drink, cold brew drink, but you got a little bit of caramel and a little bit of half and half in it to actually make it taste good. So anyway, guys, if you have bought that Califia pumpkin spice cold brew coffee from Aldi's and you don't like it, try this. It tastes really good. Or maybe try adding some of the stuff that you have that you normally drink in it. That way you don't waste it. It is really good that way. So don't be afraid to test it out and try it out and make it your own. I know this was a short video, but I hope you enjoyed seeing this quick little coffee hack. So y'all leave me some comments down below, and don't forget to give this short little video a big thumbs up. Y'all don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you do subscribe. That way you can get all of my uploads. I'll see you guys in my next video. God bless. Have a wonderful week. Bye.